finally nakuha ko yung apartment ko sa Paris. On our way. Yeah, we're in the car already on our way to the apartment. Welcome to my tree house here in Paris. Kaya ako talaga siyang pinangalan ng treehouse kasi nung bata ako, dream talaga namin magka-treehouse. Sa Cavite dati nung bata kami, may farm doon yung daddy ko. Tapos sa baba, meron kaming ginawang treehouse made out of banana leaves. Tumatakbo kami ng kapatid ko ng pinsan ko. Tapos, solitaire, chagpak! Gagano kami. Tapos may mga bata, di ko alam kung sino kayo, pero tinandaan ko talaga kayo. Sinunog niyo yung treehouse namin. So sabi ko, ito na, ang treehouse ko nasa Paris. At walang gustong tumulong sa akin. And that was Fashion Week. So can you imagine, yung meron akong picture na nagkakarga ako ng halaman, yun.
Kaya niya talagang tumigil. Nag-uwi ng halaman. Oh girl, kaya mo yung paglabanan mo.
Tapos lahat ng mga artworks ko nasa lapag kasi wala pa akong kilalang pwedeng magpukpok ng mga dingding. So lahat yun inunti-unti namin. Kami ni Jade actually, tsaka si Rolex yung driver ko doon. Pero may mga times na mag-isa lang din ako na talagang karga-karga ko silang lahat. Okay. So, one-woman show. I gotta put all of the clothes that we're gonna use for Fashion Week, all of the bags, all the shoes, we're gonna line them up. The outfits that we already put together when I left. This one I did myself too. We're not struggling mentally inside. Pero fulfilling siya kasi talagang para kung ginawang hideaway place ko. My favorite spot in the house is this beautiful chair. This is from a Brazilian designer. The story was they had a long-distance relationship and they would send each other stuffed toys. I love stuffed toys. And then when they finally got married, they decided to bring all of their stuffed toys and create furniture. But this isn't, this is a replica or the idea, the concept of their love story. And I fell in love. Syempre dahil nga, inaalagaan natin yung inner child natin. Na minsan yung inner child na yan, masyadong nagwawala. Gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin, pero ang bigat-bigat niya. And then finally, nung nakuha ko yung apartment ko, yun talaga yung una kong kinuha. And then here, we have like all of my fashion books, fashion items, and this one I got. This is actually lalagyan na ng umbrella. It's for Nasetti, but it was just so beautiful that I had to have two. Shopping in thrift stores, yun yung hilig ko. Para talaga siya sa yung mga nakikita mo sa Emily in Paris, nakakamura ka talaga. So cute. Look at the clouds. What is your store called?
L'Oiseau de Paradis.
Okay, so we're
It's
here.
the oldest toy store in Paris.
Oh, really?
Since 1932, as
Oh,
you can see.
no, this is so pretty. The clouds.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah. Cute.
Right. Merci beaucoup.
So Camille, I got you your snowball. I did not forget. She's like, please don't forget. Para lang yan sa pananamit. Pag meron kang gusto sa bahay, hindi naman kailangan lahat bago. It's the story of each piece that you get. This one, this beautiful mirror, the first time, not naman the first time, but when I was looking for furniture, it was something that really caught my eye and I was so in love. But it was impossible for me to take it because I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how to put it on, but we were able to have people to put it up and gumawa pa sila ng patungan niya. Nasa pag-aayos lang yan, nasa final product, nasa final look, nasa personality sa nagdadala. So this is the Abubot store that I've been seeing. I'm overwhelmed. So many beautiful stuff. So it's a mix of antiques and new. So it really depends what you like. But they have everything. If you see, this one is so perfect. Careful. This one. This is so beautiful. Can you imagine you mix it with the Hermes?
This one?
Yes. It always has to be a pair, right?
Great, yes. It's England. No, it's England. Everybody in England had over the cheminée
Yes. Also
a
have this.
pair of Staffordshire, yes.
It's something that I'm very, very proud of. And now we're gonna go upstairs. Pag talagang tsinaga mo, makukuha mo. Para kahit anong mangyari, walang pwedeng magpalaya sa'yo. Closet space is life, pero doon, ibang usapan.